para makita nyo. Alright. Sunga is present. Taborada,
Present, sir.
Tambo. Tambo is absent. And Vicente.
Present, sir.
Alright. Okay. So I just learned today that the synchronous meeting was supposed to be Wednesday, Friday for the MWF schedule. So dapat pala instruction lang ngayon. But anyway, so we'll just do that one on the following meeting. So Monday is asynchronous and then Wednesday, Friday is asynchronous uh ODL. Alright. Anyway, ito na pala. So, wait lang. Entry.
Sa physics, eh.
Sa, wait lang Entry. Kasi nga, babalik si Sir Kenneth. Nakiusap naman na para may loop.
Ang kausapin naman yung sa yung pare. Kasi siya magtuturo.
Hinausap ko naman na siya. So, okay lang. Parang, ako nga siya kasi hindi niya alam ituro yung physics. Kasi parang, hindi, pa naman siya nagturo ng physics.
Ako din.
Pero ikaw, iba kasi yung ano mo parang math mentality. So, Karen kasi programming mentality. Ganun.
Ako, may idea.
Mentality lang, ganun. Anyway, ayun, sir. So, ang sub mo na lang is ni EQ sa kamay siyo.
Ilang minute ba siya?
Sino? Ayan, baka magsa 7,
Wala sir.
5, 6. Kasi 2/3 yung next, ay 1/3 lang pero mga 6 and 2/3 siguro.
1/3 lang yung ano, next year. Pinibigay ko sa place.
1 and 1/3. O, 6 and 2/3 lang yun. Suppose.
Hati kami dun sir. Hati kami. Alin?
Di 6
Ano
and
nga?
6 or 6 and 1/3. 6 to 6 and 1.
Parang 6. Kasi kung mahal pati tayo ito. Pati tayo ito. Next year sa
So, next meeting,
hindi, makakabot tayo dun. Team pitch tayo dun sa dalawang. Hindi ko yung doon na lang tayo ng
so next meeting wag mo nang pasukan. Ay, si Magkano pala.
kasi mga kalis.
Finals nga pala.
Sakto lang yun kasi ang tinuturo ko ng dito. Dati na lang day na start ko na yun.
So one more thing nga pala, hindi pala pwede yung yung midterms tapos finals, maghahati.
Ay, shit, parang din.
Ang daw sa tapos maximum is 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks. Kaya kung para safe, para pag 50-50, parang makukuha niyo yung buo na face-to-face and then ODL. Another set na naman yung isa, face-to-face ODL.
Para sir, kailangan ba kami mag-ano? Kailangan ba ng ano lang sa production yung
Lagi, before, mag-aanon sa malagi sa out. Before cut-off, para
sa kanina
papapirma niyo sa akin, tapos, papapirma ba natin? Yan. Dalang.
kasi lalagyan namin yung ano? Yung kung anong araw.
Specific lahat yun. Monday, yun. Makikita kasi yun.
Every two
Hindi,
weeks dapat.
ang gawin niyo,
Maximum.
kung gusto niyo midterms finals kayo, di ba? Hati pa rin kayo, midterms ka, final siya. Pero on paper, naka 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Sa paper. Hindi naman niya wala naman siya, labas naman siya sa policy. Yun lang sa, sa payout lang. I think.
So, okay lang. Kahit na akong magpapakita sa midterms. Pero ang nakalagay sa paper is 2 weeks.
Parang di magulo, parang di rin
Pero ikaw, mas mo ng 2 weeks.
Ganun na lang.
Hindi ko
Kasi na anuhan na ako 4 and 2/3 yung nakabang. Bale, parang 4 na nga lang kasi nag-solve yung P6 law. So, mag-hire sana ng isa. Siyempre, kung may na-hire, edi, solve. Nag-file na ako kanina.
Mabalitan mo naman sila. Parang, hindi naman siguro mawawala yung DQ mo, sir.
Hindi, dami naman na nun. Lahat na ng kuhan, okay na yun.
Okay naman.
Yung P6 lang.
Bakit? Salamat.
Sige. Bye-bye.
Also, Tristan.
All right, so apologies on that. Okay, so can you guys see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir, kita.
Sige. Well, for this one, I would like you guys to do this laboratory number 2. So this one can be done in just an hour, I believe. Okay. So the due date is today as well. So September 8th. So you guys have 6 hours and 44 minutes to do this one. Okay. So at the end of this laboratory experiment, the student should be able to describe the different layers of IoT architecture. So we discussed this one last meeting. So this is not new to you guys anymore. So this is the overview, and then this is the 4 stages of IoT structure. So again, we do have the sensing layer. So that is the one that collects, gather data, okay, and then will be transferred to the network layer. So that is now where whatever communication or means of communication you'll be using. So it could be via Wi-Fi, it could be via Bluetooth, via Zigbee, via LoRaWAN, or via data. Okay, that's also possible. And the next layer is now the data processing layer. So what will you do to that data after gathering those datas? So are you going to just collect and then just trigger some actuators once the threshold were met? Okay. Or are you going to conduct a study about those datas? Okay. Is it for machine learning? Is it for uh data analysis? Okay, yung mga ganun. And then lastly is of course the application layer. So this is now where the user will see uh the output or the outcome that will happen after gathering, transferring, processing, and then it will now be output to the application layer. It could be via website, via application, or via a third-party tool or application, okay, to show the result, or let's say dashboard result, show the output or outcome. Okay. Now, so all you have to do is answer these two. Very, very simple. Okay, since you already understood most of the I think nasa kabila siya. Try to ask the other instructors there. Okay, so apologies on that. Now, the first one, okay, so all you have to do is answer this one. So there is no single consensus on the architecture for IoT, which is agreed universally. So there are many types of architecture that can be used for IoT, the simplified ones and the complex one. It happens because IoT is a growing field in the tech area, too new and recent, so the conventions are not so clear so far. So I would like you guys to identify at least 3 IoT architectures. Okay. So if this is not enough, so for sure, you'll be needing to read more articles or information about IoT architectures. So I would like you guys to identify and then briefly discuss each of their similarities and their differences in layers, specifications, and implementations. Okay. So this is just like a table. Okay. So for example, what is this architecture, and then what are the similarities and differences to the other architecture. Okay. Second one is a case study. So I would like you guys to go to this website wherein it is this one. Okay. So read and understand that website, okay, the above link article, and discuss how they apply the business layer of IoT architecture. Okay. So basically, how you will discuss this one is based on the architecture itself. So for example, the sensing layer that they have used about this website are these things to collect what? Maybe about food. Okay, and then they've used this technology for the network layer, and they've used this kind of processing to process the data. Okay, and then lastly, they've used a, let's say, a website or whatever. Is it an application to show, okay, their outputs, okay, about this website or article. All right, and yeah, just two questions. So I believe you can do this one in just a one page of Microsoft Word. And then the submission tab will be at the below of that one. So I'd like you guys to submit it right here, lab number 2, IoT Architecture submission link. So just submit it in, say, PDF format or a Word format. So either way is fine. So are we clear so far for your lab number 2 for today? Any question or clarification? All right, I guess that's it since we cannot discuss things clearly during ODL, so we'll just have our discussion uh probably next week on the face to face. Okay, and then I will let you guys do the laboratory during the ODL since all you need to have is your computer and an internet, so that one is doable via ODL. Okay. And then we'll just have a lecture every face-to-face so that you would understand more and it's easier to ask a question if it's a face-to-face setup. Okay, yeah, I guess that's it. So if you guys don't have any questions, so thank you so much for attending my class. Yeah, even though I know that the schedule is not that good since it's still a mix face-to-face and then ODL. But thank you so much anyway. So that would be all for today. So see you guys again next meeting on Wednesday.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
All right. Thank you too and goodbye.
Sir, sir.
Yes, Mr. Somera.
Sir, nalate ako kanina, sir. Paano yung attendance, sir?
Somera. Sige. Okay na.
Thank you, sir.
All right.